Jai Hind. Prasanna Kumar Ghosh from Anglo-Bengali Inter College, Prayagraj. Theme of discussion is biodiversity, environmental health, and climate change threat. Topic is Save Biodiversity, Save Earth. Before starting our discussion, we must know whether plants are sufficient to supply almost all life essential things. With the help of F5 concept, we will discuss. F5 concept reveals the fact that plant is the ultimate source of almost all life essential things, and these things can be categorized as follows. First category, life essential things, that is roti, kapda or makan, all the things without which human life cannot exist. Life comfortable, those things obtained from different parts of the plants that make the life easy going. Category 3, life luxurious things, that is kingly life, those things obtained from plant and make the life very comfortable, full of expensive, extravagant, lavish and beautiful things. F5 concept consists of 5F. First one, that is F1, is food. Our daily meal consists of 7 components, that is carbohydrate, lipid for energy, protein for growth, nucleic acid for hereditary material, water, mineral and salt for the regulatory substances. And these 7 components comprise our daily meal, can be obtained from different parts of the plant in different forms as cereal, pulses, oilseed, vegetable, fruit, sugar, spice, adulterated, etc. F2, that is fodder. It means meal for our domestic and wild lives. Hay, grass, paddy, stick, low quality grain, vegetable, leaves, stem and other parts of the plant which are used as a meal for the animals, whether it belongs domestic or wildlife categories. F3, fuel for cooking as well as to run the industries, workshop, automobiles, different vehicles, etc. Different kinds of fuel can be obtained from different parts of the plant in different forms like wood, coal, dung cake, wood, powder, charcoal, petro products and other fossil fuels. F4, for wearing purpose, to protect our body. Cotton, flax, jute, sun, coir are obtained from different parts of the plant like bark, bast fiber, phloem fiber, xylem fiber, leaves, etc. And furniture, F5. Whether furniture means chair, table, maze, window, no. Furniture means those substances obtained from the plants used for the construction of our shelter. These are wood, trunk, stem, branches, stick, leaves and thatching material for our shelter. It means F5 concept reveals the fact the plants are very much sufficient to supply almost all life essential things for our existence. Then why animals killings? Why the biodiversity loss? Why the human activity? Okay. Mother Nature reminding us time to time that humanity and environment are complementary, interdependent and sometimes supplementary to each other. Because Earth can fulfill our need, not our greed. Global warming is one of the most challenging environmental problem of air pollution of modern world, but I think that pollution is not in air, water, soil and space, but it is in our mind as a mental pollution. And mental pollution resulted that deforestation and discriminate killing of animals for industrialization, civilization, etc. And these activities are responsible for biodiversity loss as well as other natural disasters including COVID-19. Let us discuss few examples of human activity responsible for great biodiversity loss. On your screen you can see the 5-day snapper fire to kill about 10,000 camels in Australia to meet water crisis. Whether camels are responsible for water crisis? No, but camels were killed. You can see the newspaper cutting on your screen. When plants are sufficient to supply almost all life essential things, it even means food, fiber, fuel, etc., then why animals are killed for edible purpose, for eating purpose? You can see on your screen different animals are used as food. Thousands of pigs were transported through the truck and graved in China to avoid the COVID-19. Whether pigs are responsible for coronavirus? No. It has been approved that coronavirus is a man-made. Then why pigs were killed? Another example, in Karnataka, poultry farmers buried about 6,000 chickens in mass grave to avoid the coronavirus. Whether chickens are responsible for coronavirus? No, but they were killed. Another example, cruel killing of Gangetic dolphin in India and other negative trends must be halted and reversed to avoid a global environmental tragedy. Human activities like animal abusing and animal mistreatment had led our planet to the edge of penalty corner. Not only mistreatment to natural resources, man-made waste management also plays significant role to damage our home. Ganges river dolphin, that is Platystra gangetica, is now endangered and at the edge of extinction. Hence, in 2009, the Government of India declared it as a national aquatic animal to aware the common people toward the protection and conservation of this blind animal. Now, we will discuss the significant role played by the students and teachers of this institute, that is Anglo-Bengali Inter-College, Prayagraj. This college constituted a number of biodiversity club, and through this club a number of activities have been performed. You can see on your screen that is dolphin camp to the Bhagalpur and distribution of bird box to save the sparrow, Nirmala Ganga rally, because I have already discussed that to save the dolphin we must save Ganga, because Ganga river is the habitat of that dolphin. Therefore, Nirmala Ganga rally, dolphin rally, dolphin mela, dolphin day celebration, speech, debate, contest, essay writing, painting competition of dolphin to aware the students and common people toward the conservation of this dolphin. Educational trip have been organized to the VTR Valmiki Tiger Reserve with about hundreds of students to aware the students toward the conservation of tiger, that is national aquatic animal. Save Ganga, save dolphin. This activity you can see on your screen. By saving the national aquatic river, we can save our dolphin. What is the result of various awareness program conducted by the Anglo-Bengali Inter-College Prayagraj? The result was that in dolphin census 2015, from 5 to 8 October 2015, a total of 175 dolphins were reported from Kanpur to Kadedham, Kaushambi. But only launching several awareness programs, organizing seminars, webinars, etc. are not sufficient to bring the world on natural track. We must take strict legislative decision with hard and fast punishment to maintain our track. We must redouble our effort for sustainable global partnership to nurture relationship between the humanity and environment. To keep homeostatic balance, we must improve our biodiversity strategy and action plan using multi-sectorial approaches. Our effort must be strengthen biodiversity, create employment and opportunity, as well as to attract the tourism. In 2009, when Gangetic dolphin was declared as a national aquatic animal, a program was launched, awareness program, that is Save Ganga, Save Dolphin. It means before saving the dolphin, we must save the Ganga, because the habitat is Ganga. Similarly, before saving the existence of human life, the biodiversity, we must save our earth, the habitat of almost all biodiversity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.